I'm going to do an update for the horizontal migration worm bin here. So this is what it looks like after almost a year. I think it's been 10 months. I've been covering it with a tarp to try to keep the rain out, because we had a pretty brutal winter. It got down to as low as 4 degrees here in Greenville, South Carolina. So this side over here is the original side that I started first with 2,000 worms. And you can see as high as it's ever gone. And there are still worms alive. I don't know how many, but there's a whole bunch here. So what I did is I just pretty much covered it with paper. It doesn't look like the tea bags are breaking down as fast as I would like. This is all covered in biochar right now. So, you know, and then this bin I started much later. I can post the date on the bottom. But, you know, there are worms in here also. And you can see there's about 12 inches, maybe 8 inches it's compressed down to. What I started to do is I added a second layer of boards in the bottom here in the middle, so that when I migrate everything to the middle this year, it's actually doubled, so that the rod is actually done with these temporary boards, and then hopefully the bottom of this will actually last longer. Here, you can see a couple moving here. This is all coffee grounds on top. I mean, they're all really small. I stopped feeding them about a month and a half ago, maybe even longer. I think it was probably January. And here's about 6 inches down. So it looks like there's a bunch of baby worms in here. I don't know if you can see that. So, you know, like I said, this also came all the way up to here, which is, you know, about 18 inches deep, and then it keeps going down. I've put maybe 20 gallons of waste on each side. Well, maybe 20 on this side and 15 on this side, because this side hasn't been going as long. But I had 3,000 worms over here, so they were actually breaking down a lot quicker. And I made an attempt on using one of these ground warming wires. They can't cross, or they short. So I don't know how long this thing was shorted out. The electric bill was about $15 a month higher for that month that it was running until it shorted out, so it maybe lasted 3 weeks. That was my original attempt on trying to keep this thing above 40 degrees, and then after that I just bailed and moved on with the day. So that's the update for the horizontal migration worm bin. I'm going to add some food to this in the next couple days. I'm not sure if I'll add it today or not, but that's the update.